Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll demonstrate how to set up the Gallagher One Tank wireless monitoring system and give a run through of the menu options. To start, plug in the desktop display. Then plug in the sensor cable to the tank unit. The sensor cable should be locked into position by turning the thumb lock on the connector body. To do this, turn the connector thumb lock clockwise until it clicks firmly into the locked position. It is essential that the connector is locked, as this provides the required weatherproofing. Confirm the display screen is showing waiting. Then press and hold the circular push button on the bottom of the tank unit as shown. The unit does not always pair the first time, so if you receive a red flashing light as we did here, wait a moment, then hold the push button again. When the tank unit is successfully connected to the system, the LED light next to the button will illuminate green for 3 seconds. Release the button. The LCD module will beep and the message "tank added" will be displayed on the display unit. Your tank is now connected to the system. You can press exit to enter into the main menu. The system initially needs to know the approximate height of your water tank before installation. It is strongly recommended that you physically measure your tank height. The correct height to measure is the height from the base of the water tank to the outflow outlet. Once this height is known, reduce the measured value around 20 centimeters and enter the figure into the tank, settings, height, menu screen. For example, if your tank is 2.2 meters high, enter 2 meters into the height settings screen. If the exact height is not known, enter the approximate height, which is on the lower side of your approximation. This will allow the system to calibrate more accurately. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the height, then press exit to return to the main menu. Once the tank height is entered, attach the black multi-directional antenna to the top of the tank unit. The antenna should be gently screwed into position on the gold threaded connector located on the top of the tank unit next to the solar panel. Take the tank unit and the sensor cable to your tank and lower the level sensor to the bottom. Please ensure that the sensor is located at the very base of the tank and away from the water outflow on your tank. The tank unit should be positioned on top of the tank for maximum exposure to sunlight. This will assist in ensuring the tank unit battery remains healthy and sufficiently charged. There are 4 10 by 25mm stainless steel screws included with this kit. These are used to mount the tank unit to the top of your tank. The tank unit does not need to be screwed into your tank, but Gallagher recommends this as part of good installation. Attach the black multi-directional antenna to your display unit. The main screen of the indoor console displays all the information about the status of your tank at a glance. This includes the status button. This displays the estimated time to empty that is available before your water supply will run out. This is based on your current water usage and rainfall. When the status bar is green, the status of your system is normal. When the status button is red, the system has detected an abnormal condition or fault that should be checked. Touch this button to see the system status and any notifications. On the left is the tank number. The tank number shows which tank is currently displayed on the screen. If only one tank is connected to the system, this number will default to 1. If you have multiple tanks connected, touch the tank number to select which tank you would like to see displayed. This percentage figure is an accurate representation of how full your tank is, referenced to the maximum recorded value of 100%. Touch the tank percentage icon on the screen to enter into the history screen. This screen shows a graph of the tank level for the preceding 30 days. The tank signal strength indicator displays the signal strength being received from the tank unit in the form of a rising bar graph. Touch the menu button on the main screen to access all menu options in the system. Press tank to enter into the tank adjustment settings menu. Several options will appear. Pressing add will allow you to add additional tank units. To add additional tanks, enter into this submenu and follow the steps that we previously followed to add the first unit to the display. The second option on the tank submenu is Remove. When the Remove button is pressed, you'll have the option to remove any one of up to 9 tanks connected to the system. All you need to do is press on the tank unit number you wish to remove. The next tank option on the tank settings submenu is Move. Use this to move or swap a tank from the system allocated tank number to another tank number. To do this, select the tank number you wish to move, then select the tank number you want to swap it to. Then confirm your selection. And the tank will now appear under the new tank number. The last option on the tank submenu is Settings. On this submenu, you can adjust all of your tank settings. You can check and adjust the tank height. Pressing the outflow option allows you to set the water tank outflow pipe height. This is the measurement from the bottom of the tank to the outflow level. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the height and press Exit to save and return. The next option on the Settings submenu is Density. This submenu allows you to adjust the density of the fluid being measured in a particular tank. The default factory density setting is 1.0, which is water. The system will allow a range of specific gravities from 0.5 through to 2.0 to allow for the measurement of a range of liquids such as molasses. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the value, then press Exit to return to the Settings submenu. The last option on the tank settings submenu is Filter. This useful feature will remind you when a tank filter needs to be replaced. Use the up and down arrows to select the number of months for replacement, then touch Set. The Filter Replace icon will be displayed when the timer expires. Press back twice to return to the main menu. Under Tank, the next option is Pump. Use this menu to connect a wireless pump controller to the network. Once a wireless pump controller is added, further menu items will illuminate, such as Remove, Control Options, and a host of pump-specific settings. The third option on the main menu is Settings. Selecting options allows you to enable or disable a selection of alerts and indicators. Touch each item you wish to switch on or off. Display days remaining. This enables and disables the display of the days remaining feature on the main screen's status button. Display trend indicator. This enables and disables the display of the trend indicator feature on the main screen. Enable abnormal usage alert. This enables and disables a warning feature that alerts the user if an abnormal amount of fluid has been used from any tank connected to the system. Enable tank not receiving alert. This enables a warning feature that alerts the user if communications to any tank on the network is lost. The next option under Settings is Display. Use this to set the brightness of the display unit after it is automatically dimmed. Use the up and down arrows to adjust, then press back when the desired level is achieved. The next option is Usage. Under the Usage submenu, you can reset the memory of historical usage for a tank that is connected to the system. To reset tank usage, press Reset, then select the tank number you would like to reset the usage of. Press Yes to confirm. Note, deleting the history cannot be reversed, so take care when using this function. The last option on the Settings submenu is Factory. This is the option to restore the display unit keypad to factory default settings. Performing this will also remove all tank units connected to the system. Returning to the main menu, pressing More will bring up 3 additional menu options. There's History. This function displays the water level in the selected tank for the preceding 30 days in a graphical format. Clean. This clever function allows the display unit surface to be cleaned. The touchscreen touch function is disabled during this time to prevent any unwanted button inputs. The screen clean mode will cancel after 30 seconds and normal touchscreen function will be restored. The very last option on this menu is About. This displays the Gallagher logo and the software version number. And that's how to connect the tank unit to the indoor sensor and a brief overview of the settings menu of the Gallagher One Tank System with desktop display. For more information on this or other Gallagher tank monitoring systems, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.